Let's start by opening the box. Inside, you'll find your new AR glasses, plus the necessary accessories. A protective case, USB-C cable, nose pads, user manual, and a cleaning cloth. Before you start with your new AR glasses, peel off the protective film and choose a set of nose pads that feel comfortable and give you a full, clear image. If you wear prescription glasses, you can order lenses with your prescription from our official partners online. There's no need to remove the nose pads with the XREAL One series. Simply take your prescription glasses and insert them into the nose bridge, like so. XREAL One Pro comes in two sizes, 63mm and 69mm, indicating the interpupillary distance, IPD. These sizes suit most users, providing a superior visual experience. XREAL One Pro meets over 95% of IPDs, so further adjustments are not required. XREAL One features interpupillary distance IPD adjustment software in glasses, meaning no matter your IPD, you're guaranteed a clear, crisp screen. Your AR glasses have 3 adjustable temple positions to help you find the perfect viewing angle. Handle your AR glasses carefully, especially when making these adjustments. Be sure to only use USB-C cables developed by XREAL for AR glasses to ensure stable connection. Connect the angled end of the USB-C cable to the glasses, and use the other end to connect to your device to experience an immersive spatial screen. There are 2 microphones on each temple, and 2 directional speakers on the left and right temples. XREAL One and XREAL One Pro also have several buttons: X button, up and down button, and shortcut button. Click the up and down button to adjust the display brightness. Press the up or down button for 1 second to adjust the lens transparency. Both XREAL One and XREAL One Pro have 3 levels of electrochromic dimming, allowing you to change the lens transparency anytime. Click the X button to switch between the spatial display modes. Press the X button for 1 second to calibrate the screen. Double-click X button to enter and exit the display menu. We recommend updating your glasses to the latest firmware. You can find more information in the technical support section on our website, xreal.com, and follow instructions to update your glasses. Both XREAL One and XREAL One Pro have 4 distinct display modes to choose from. Unlock native 3 degrees of freedom spatial screen experiences on any device with a single USB-C connection. No apps, adapters, or software required. Anchor mode. Anchor your screen in virtual space so you can kick back with a smooth, stable big screen. Follow mode. A screen that follows your line of sight, gently moving as you do without causing motion sickness. Ultra-wide mode. Connect directly to your computer for instant access to an ultra-wide virtual experience. Side view. A mini screen for multitaskers, for when the real world needs your attention, but you still want to catch up on your favorite shows. Directly connect your glasses to any devices that support USB-C video output, including phones, laptops, and game consoles. By connecting the AR glasses directly to your smartphone, you can instantly transform it into a streaming box. XREAL One and One Pro take your gaming experience to the next level. Level up your consoles with a gigantic screen. Create your own crystal-clear virtual second monitor that duplicates, extends, or replaces your primary screen. Unlock even more entertainment with the glasses and XREAL Beam Pro. You are now ready to explore everything that XREAL One and XREAL One Pro have to offer.
If you encounter any issues during use, try reconnecting the device. If the problem persists or you have further questions, please contact our support team at support@xreal.com.